Good morning, everybody. This is Jana Llanos, author of DDK Recipe Books and easy recipes for your meals, everyday meals for you and your family and friends. Today is Saturday, July 20th, and we are going to do an easy way to do roasted potatoes, oven-baked roasted potatoes. So we're not, roasted normally are deep fat fried. These are a different version of that. This is healthier. These are, in this pan right here, this is just a ceramic baking dish for the oven. And in here is about 4 Idaho potatoes, okay? Now, I peeled them and sliced them up in chunks and then parboiled them in water in a microwave bowl for about 8 minutes, give or take, on high, okay? So it was probably about like closer to 8.5. All right, then I drained them and I put them in this dish that was sprayed with Pam spray so they don't stick, okay? Just makes it easier for you guys for cleaning. Okay, we all love easy. Then I put some seasonings on these bad boys, all right? I put a tablespoon of olive oil on them, okay? I put about a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I put a teaspoon of, probably 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed, okay? And that's what's on these. And then I dump them, I mix it all together, and then I dump them in this baking dish, okay? Now the next step is this. Okay, here we go. I took can of Giorgio mushrooms, all organic mushrooms. They're delicious, by the way. You just eat them right out of the can. Oh, but I tried not to because I have to make this dish. They are in this bowl. Okay, 1 can in this bowl. Now, so far, I have put in here absolutely nothing because I want to show you. All right, we're going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of this. We're going to put in just a little bit of salt, probably about 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to put in just a little bit more garlic, probably another 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to put in about a 1/4 to a 1/2 teaspoon of the Browning Kitchen Bouquet sauce. Why? It adds flavor and texture and richness. Then we're going to add in a little bit of dry brown gravy to that mixture. We're going to add a 1/2 can of cream of mushroom soup. And we're going to thin that down, this whole mixture down, with about 1/4 cup of 1/2 and 1/2. All right? That just makes it creamy, makes it richer. It blends everything together, blends all these seasonings together so everything is coated. And then we're going to mix this together and then pour that mixture over this. That will finish this dish off. And I'm not baking it today, guys, okay? This is for our dinner for tomorrow. And I will show you what we're going to be doing with that when we continue this video on part 2, because we're going to be smoking a chuck roast to make pulled beef sandwiches for tomorrow's dinner. And that's going to be delicious, my friends. So stay tuned to my channels on YouTube on ElizabethJJ555@gmail.com. All my YouTube videos are there. I share them on all my sites. DDK Recipe Books, Diva Dish Kitchens, Funky Girl. I am all over the place. So keep watching. These are fun recipes. And pick up my recipe books too at Grundhofer's in Hugo, at Flickr Meats in White Bear Lake on White Bear Avenue, or from WA 612-859-3270. This is Jana. I gotta get finishing here. Take care of yourself, babies, and have a wonderful Saturday. Bye for now.